Alexa, turn on the light. There's a variety of these Amazon products that interact with us every day. We are able to look up the weather, sports, traffic, birthdays, even as far as grocery lists. You can even call your loved ones or video chat with them. You could play games. The list goes on and on. It is actually a very cool product. Well, I got a little bit bored. I thought Alexa was very cool. But, you know, even as a little kid, I've always wanted a robot. And this was about the closest thing of having one, but it's not autonomous. So I got to thinking, and I went rummaging around through my stuff, and I thought I could build or make Alexa better. And I gotta admit, I think I nailed it. So I got to work on it. Very simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. So I found this Reaper skeleton. I found it at a party store. I have seen them online on Amazon. I've also seen them at job lots. It is autonomous, but only autonomous with its jaw. Halloween's only around the corner. So I got to thinking, this would be great. Okay, so here's how you put it together. I grabbed my Alexa dock. It came with a 3.5 audio jack on the back of the product. It also comes with a wire that also plugs in the 3.5 audio jack. On the back of the head of this Reaper, there is also an audio jack. You will plug that into that audio jack. That is it. Here's the finished product. Enjoy.
The time is 10:38 a.m.
Alexa, what are you doing?
I'm answering questions and learning more.
Alexa, happy Halloween.
Thanks. You boo. I mean, you too.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Knock knock. Who's there? Finn. Finn who? Finish up this joke. It's raining out here.
Alexa, trick or treat.
Here's a treat. There once was a spirit named Mittens who visited litters of kitties. When the werewolves came prowling, her ghostly meowling repelled them. No kittens got bitten.